U.S. Army deserter Bergdahl's sentencing hearing delayed until Wednesday. Fort Bragg, North Carolina. Reuters, the sentencing hearing for U.S. Army Sergeant Bowe Bergdahl, who could go to prison for life for deserting his duties in Afghanistan in June 2009 and endangering the lives of fellow troops, was postponed on Monday for 2 days due to an emergency for a lawyer in the case. The proceedings at North Carolina's Fort Bragg will resume on Wednesday, Army Judge Colonel Jeffery Nance said in court. The hearing is expected to include testimony from soldiers injured in the dangerous search for Bergdahl, who walked off his combat outpost in Paktika province to report what he said were critical problems in his chain of command. The 31-year-old Idaho native was quickly captured by the Taliban and spent the next 5 years suffering torture, abuse, and neglect in captivity. A Taliban prisoner swap that won his release in 2014, organized by the administration of then-Democratic President Barack Obama, was criticized by people in the military and by Republicans. During last year's presidential campaign, Republican Donald Trump called Bergdahl a no-good traitor who should have been executed. Bergdahl pleaded guilty on October 16 to desertion and misbehavior before the enemy, with the latter offense carrying a possible life sentence. He entered a naked plea, meaning he does not have an agreement about the sentencing terms with prosecutors. Additional reporting by Chris Kenning and Jim Forsyth. Writing by Chris Kenning and Colleen Jenkins. Editing by Peter Cooney and Francis Carey.